Hey guys!
Hi.
So it's the first morning after our exams, and so we slept over outside.
Yeah, we brought like all our mattresses out here.
Yeah, let me show you guys. So like these are our mattresses in our living room right now. Well, today we're in our sweatpants and jacket, and we're gonna be going out because today the weather is just looking super
really
great.
beautiful.
And so we're gonna walk to the park, which is like 5 miles from here. Look at that, it's like really beautiful outside today. So yeah, you'll be joining us. So right now we're at this little quaint little shop with some unique things, like I guess for like events like Halloween and like for birthdays and stuff. And so
I found
a corn trophy.
an award.
Oh my goodness, this would be perfect for Melissa. Look at this cat trophy. It's like, and they got this bacon corner over here. It's like all these weird bacon stuff, like bacon floss, two-way trick, squirt camera, jumbo playing cards.
Are we gonna put one of these on?
Oh no, they have those creepy little monkey things on the bottom over there. High five. Oh, yuck. Ew. Oh. Try it on. Try it on.
Beautiful. Put it on your head.
I can't even see in this one.
I know. I don't know what the eyes are for. Hi.
It's just weird.
Oh, that was cute.
That one is cute.
Yeah, it's Dalmatian.
Let me demonstrate. Does this look cute to you? No. Hi, Melody. What are we up to? Really? Where are we hiking?
I don't know. Where are we hiking? Do you know?
Somewhere in the mountains, right? Yeah, that's all we know. We've got a lot of people with us today. Hi, Melissa.
Hey guys, so right now I am back in my hometown for spring break. I am in my car on my way to go meet my friends for some coffee. I'm running a little late today. My hair's still wet from my shower. I don't have any makeup on, as you can probably tell. My two friends, I'm a freshman in college, and one of them is a senior in high school and the other is a junior in high school. So I'm going to pick them up from school right now. Suckers. Now I'm gonna go pick them up. I'm running late, like school just ended right now. I was supposed to be there already, but there were some extenuating circumstances, and also I woke up really, really late today. Oh my god. There it is.
Hi guys, we're here at
Pike's Place Market.
Pike's Place Market. We came here to check out some farmers' produce. Melody, it says taste me, so are you gonna try it?
Okay, I'm gonna try the wildflower one.
The wildflower one? Okay. How does it taste?
Good.
It's good?
I can't tell it's different.
Like, what do
from
you mean by
honey.
good?
Tastes like honey.
It's like, tastes like honey? So like
Wait, you
sweet.
taste it. Which one do you want? Blackberry?
This one
Blackberry.
is the blackberry one. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, it's got like that tangy flavor in there, the blackberry one. It tastes much different from
I
the
love that
wildflower,
one.
yeah. Please nothing snakes.
They look pretty though,
Oh
right?
yeah, they do look
Yeah.
pretty.
Would you get it?
Would I get it? No, because I
What if
still
I got
hate snakes.
it?
What if you got it? You're not my best friend anymore. Haty berry jam? How's it taste? Raspberry habanero.
See how this one's different? That was a little spicy.
A little spicy.
It's like sweet and spicy.
So red raspberry honey stick.
She's gonna try her very first honey stick.
Yeah, this is my first time ever trying.
Just bite on it.
Bite on it?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, on the end.
How do you do it?
Bite it hard. Did you get it? How does it taste?
It's not bad. What are you doing?
Okay, Angel, everyone.
What are you doing?
Nothing?
Are you taking a video? Wow.
Of course not. Ring my bell. Ring my bell.
Ooh, no shame! Welcome to Cooking with Angel. Today we are making some basic spaghetti with green beans and tomatoes and creamy mushrooms. I'm gonna be spicing it up with some herbs and spices and oil. It's just a basic oil spaghetti pasta.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Final product. How's it taste?
Documenting my viewing. Failure. Do not set the thing on fire. It's not. What is it? It's popcorn. Oh no, it smells burnt. I think it's burnt.
Is it?
No, it's not. Oh my goodness. Wow.
What does it look like?
Oh my goodness. Oh, but not all of them are popped. Oh my. Not even half of them are popped. Look at
Doesn't
this.
look too bad. It's good, Tim. Kettle corn. In the microwave. Round 2. So basically, Angel just mixed popcorn kernels with powdered sugar and oil.
No, just sugar.
Just sugar?
Just use regular sugar, yeah.
And then like a little bit of oil, right?
Yeah.
Like vegetable oil. And then put it in a paper bag and stapled it. And put it in the microwave. And we ended up with kettle corn.
So today is Wednesday. I'm going out to meet a friend. Actually, I'm gonna pick him up and then we're gonna hang out at my house. He is one of my few friends that I have left that are actually my age. So I'm excited to see him. I have not been, I don't know, in touch with him as much as I should be. It's really raining outside right now. I like the rain. I don't like driving in it. So yeah, we are gonna grab some coffee and then come back to my house and probably watch some anime or something, so that's exciting.
Hi guys, so today is a Wednesday I think, and we're on our way to get some lunch called Paseo's Caribbean Restaurant. They sell like sandwiches I think that are supposed to be super good.
Cuban sandwiches.
So we're looking forward to this stuff. So where are we at? Okay.
I'm gonna take it out. Okay, it's gonna be really messy to eat.
Good?
Try it.
Yeah, you can really taste that cilantro in there. The pork is like really good. Hi guys, so right now it's like past 8, I think, right?
It's way past 8.
Yeah, it's way past 8, and
It's like 10.
so we're here at QFC shopping for some groceries. Look at Melody's face; she's just so happy. Oh my goodness!